This is fried chicken. We got rotisserie and gang down there. Real yellow. They do have like a little yellow tint to them, but they grow out and they are white. Why are you biting my finger? What's up, soil brothers and soil sisters? Y'all hear that? Y'all, I came home this morning. I was gone for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. And what was sitting on my porch? Meat birds. Let's show y'all how we do with our meat birds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show y'all how this is our Brooder box. Let me start there. It's just, this is just a big box that we had. I need to tape it up some because we haven't used this box in a while. It's just a big box. Over here we have a little box set up in the corner because this is where we keep our chickens water. I'm gonna move kind of fast because these babies have been in transit for 2 days. They shipped out on Wednesday. Today is Friday. I came home and they were sitting on the porch. Like, what's supposed to happen is the post office is supposed to call me and say, hey, your chickens are here. But instead, they have been dropping them off, like on the porch. They don't make sure somebody is home, nothing. The good thing is today is kind of overcast. It's only like 65 degrees, so it's not terribly bad, but I still don't want my chickens sitting on the porch. So they are supposed to call me and tell me that our birds are here. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking the pine shavings and putting it in the box. This is absolutely free. We do not get any special brooder or anything dramatic for our birds when they come in. I just had this big box and this is what we use. It worked perfectly fine for us. I lined the bottom of it with plastic because they do pee and poop in here. We keep them in here for about a month. So let me get the babies so y'all can see them. These are, I have water for them. And I'm hoping that I'm recording all of this so you can see. Let me bring it in a little closer. So this is a nice size box. This is the biggest litter of chickens we have, meat birds we have gotten. I do have the container for their food, which I'll fill up in a minute. But most importantly, I want to get them some water. So let's unbox these babies. I pray that we do not be surprised because I don't want to freak out and I don't want to cry. But this is how they are shipped. They shipped out on Wednesday. I'm hoping they got there today. They are supposed to call me and say, hey, your chickens are here, whatever. They didn't. I ordered 30 meat birds. And now, I'm just trying to hurry up and get them. Oh my goodness, please all be alive. Everybody look good, but everybody look hungry. Hey, little people. They look like little cotton balls. They were just born on Tuesday. So what I do is I take them all out. Let me move this box so you can see. I take them all out. I dip their beak in water so they'll know that this is water. I put these little things in the water just so they don't drown themselves. They make my stomach growl. I'm just playing. But this is some delicious eating. So I put these little tiny bottles or something in there just so they cannot fall in the water and drown. But I will take them all out, dip them, so they'll know that the water is here. The good thing about them is they learn from each other. There you go. These are Cornish cross. Okay. There you go. I don't need no help coming up out of this box. I'm moving too slow. They have been, like I said, they shipped them out. They come from Hoover Hatchery in Iowa. They shipped them out on, Tuesday. No, they shipped these out on Wednesday. They just arrived today. It's Friday morning. Everybody should be thirsty and hungry. But like I said, they learn from each other. I put the little bottles in. Alright, let me get to it now. Just so that they don't drown in the water. Okay, we got 30 birds. All seem to be doing fine. I'm gonna get some heat and some water, and I'll show y'all in a second. So what I have set up is the water over in the corner. You see them over there messing with the water. They are hungry, but I wanted to get some heat for them. And I use this lamp for my grow light, but I took the grow lamp bulb out and I'm just putting back in the heat lamp. I'm just flipping it on the side of something. I'm hoping it'll stay flipped too. But we really don't overthink keeping these babies warm. Now they have a heat lamp, so they can choose to come, which this is basically the wrong side. I'm gonna move the heat lamp because we normally put the food over here. So anyhow, what we do, we put the water. They have the water over here in this corner. We normally put the food over here in this corner, but because I have the heat lamp here, I'm gonna put the food over in this corner. That way they have that corner to get out of the heat. If they're cold, they can get in the heat. And then they have food over here, but at least they won't be over here overheating if they choose to eat, and they don't need a lot of heat. But this way they won't overheat over here. Now, they drink a lot of water and they eat a lot of food. These are meat birds, Cornish cross. They grow out in about 8 weeks, and they are ready for the freezer in 8 weeks. So let them know that, hey, y'all got some food. They follow each other. You know, they will quickly learn that, oh, okay, this is my food over here. We will prop this up when they get taller, bigger, in a week or so. We'll prop that food up so it's not, because they'll roost on top of here and poop all in the food, and we don't want them to just mess up their food. So like I said, this box, something came in this box, and we just used it as a brooder because it worked out perfect. And we just take it and clean it out. What was in it, use this bedding as fertilizer. Once they poop it up good, it's great fertilizer. Right now they just like, hey, I'm just thirsty, and they want to stay warm. So they have food here. When they're ready for it, they know they can come over. They learn very quick from each other. And what else was I going to do? This thing that we have taped over here, I'm just gonna move it. And this flap, we just use this little whatever this was, piece of cardboard to try to keep them from roosting on top of the food once they get bigger. So once we bring it up, you know, we try to make it so they can't go behind the food, but it'll sit up higher. So right now they just so little. They're only a couple days old. 3 days old. So they grow so fast. They grow so fast. But they'll do fine just right here. Like I said, they have their heat. They got water. They got food. These birds require absolutely nothing else right now. We will show y'all the chicken tractor, which will put them outside in about 4 weeks, 3 or 4 weeks ish. We play it by ear because depending on how quick they grow out and start flying, well, they don't fly, but they will come out of the box. We will set another box on top of here that's tall, and they can't just jump out. But these birds normally don't fly because they get so heavy so fast. But we want to keep them in the box, so we will put a box on top. So these are all female Cornish cross, little cute cotton balls. They are absolutely delicious. This is fried chicken. We got rotisserie and gang down there. So I know it's not so easy to see, but I'll bring you a little closer so you can see them. So you can get a better look at the little fur balls. They are 3 days old. We just use a big cardboard box. I think a wheelchair came in this box. So I just cut the middle of this box open, and I thought it was great for a brooder box. It's enough space. We have 30 chickens in here, meat birds. I have the heat lamp set up over here so they can get heat if they need heat, but they know to get out of the heat if it's too much. And you know, once they start feathering out anyway, I'll take the heat from them or move it, but it's just in this one spot. So they know to go over here for heat. They know to come over here for water. Look at them. Some of them are over here drinking water. What are they doing? these are female Cornish cross. I ordered all females this time. But they definitely know, you know, the good thing about these birds, they follow each other. They learn from each other. I guess nobody is hungry, they just all thirsty, or they want to warm up. They had a 2-day trip from Iowa to Georgia, and they just getting it together. They'll eventually go and eat, because I show them, they just running around playing right now. They like, yeah, we know we got food over there. But they'll eventually go and start eating. Whenever they get ready to eat, they'll eat. But, you know, I just kind of leave them alone now. Just got them off the porch. They are supposed to call and say, your meat birds are here, or your chickens are here. And I usually go to the post office and pick them up. For some reason, sometimes they just drop them off on the porch and leave them. Not how it's supposed to be done. But they will start feathering out. They'll grow feathers. You see those little feathers? But that's when you know that they are ready to go outside, when it's not too cold. You know, it's warm here in Georgia, and they can go outside. 3 to 4 weeks, we usually put them out, because, you know, they don't smell the best, and eventually, and they ready to be outside. So, just wanted to show y'all these little cute meat birds, Cornish cross. At 3, 6, at 8 weeks, we will process these suckers out. They are ready for eating. That light is without the heat lamp. I just want you to be able to see them without the heat lamp, because it make them look like real yellow. They do have like a little yellow tint to them, but they grow out and they are white. Why are you biting my finger? They are white little birds. So. I turned the heat off, so now they like, okay, let me go back over here. But yeah, they require nothing. As long as they got food and water, they are absolutely great. So we will definitely keep y'all updated on our delicious little cute cotton ball meat birds, Cornish cross. Just wanted to bring you an update on my unboxing of my meat birds. Thank you for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button and share us out if you can. Are you raising your own meat birds? If not, what are you waiting on? This is a fun process of homesteading. It is absolutely amazing. I love it. But thank you all for watching. Have a blessed day. Make sure you hit that bell so that you can be notified when we update you on these little cuties. Have a blessed day.